Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize a little bit our mono audio function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to change it. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options menu. Next, in hearing enhancements, we have our mono audio. So as you can see here, we can change this option a little bit. So we can select where to use mono audio, which plays the same sound out of both speakers. So no stereo, no surround if we have. So right now by default it's connected audio. Of course we can change it to connected audio and phone speakers if you want to. And that's basically it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.